Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to merge different raster layers into one layer. Here is a digital elevation model with a resolution of 5 meters in UTM coordinates. From this raster layer I have created a slope map, i.e. the degrees of dip of the terrain, as well as the aspect map, which is this one here, which is the direction of maximum slope indicated by the slope map. The idea here is to get the pixel value of each of the 3 individual raster layers and turn it into one raster layer, combining all 3 pixel values. What's the need for combining all 3 layers into one, you may ask? I can list off 3 reasons. The first being layer management. In a big project you might have a lot of layers, so to be able to combine layers into one might be beneficial. Another reason is cost efficiency. Let's say you're working on this professional project. You need to upload it to this platform for your client to visualize. But each layer you upload costs money, so to reduce costs you can merge the data into one layer. The last reason is to be able to create easy art. The images that are obtained are very pretty, if I do say so myself. So how are we going to accomplish this? Well, the 3 maps that we see here are in black and white, where black is the minimum value and white is the maximum value. That means the data is represented in just one band. Yet color images have 3 bands, red, green and blue. Therefore we can combine all 3 layers and put them into 3 different bands and make a raster that has different colors. To do so, it is very simple. Just type into the processing toolbox, build virtual raster, click on it. Select the 3 layers, the depth, the aspect and the slope. Click OK and then press run. There you go. You have all 3 layers into different bands. Or the bands depends on the naming convention, i.e. it's ordered alphanumerically. So the first band, band 1, will be the values of aspect. Then the second band is the values of depth, and the third band is the values of slope. There's one last thing to do. When we zoom in or out, because it's a 600 km squared by 5 meter resolution layer, it takes quite a bit of time to re-render, as you can see here. So a simple trick, if the resolution isn't that important, is to warp and reproject the layers. If we go to the processing toolbar and type in warp, reproject, and then select the layer that you want to reproject, and then in output file resolution target georeference units, just put a bigger number than 5, for example 100, and then click run. Deselect the other layers that are much bigger. As we can see, there's much less resolution, but it loads much faster, and it still has the data. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe for more QGIS tips and tricks. Ciao!